unicorns, welcome to the Zebra. In this video I'm gonna create the halo eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. So the colors that I'm gonna use for this halo eye makeup look are going to be brown and yellow. So grab those colors and let's get to it. I have drawn the eyebrow hair with black eyebrow pencil. Now I'm drawing the eye. This eye look is beginner friendly. So I need to set this flash color. To set the flash color, I always use the same colored powder eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm doing the same here. Here my brown eyeshadow is way more darker than the flash color. But it's okay, we will work it out. Apply it onto the lower lash line as well and try to blend it beautifully. Mine is a bit tough. I hope this eye makeup look is easier for you because I have taken only 2 shades and this eye look is very you don't like using false eyelashes. But if you love using false eyelashes, then no need to hesitate to apply false eyelashes onto your actual eye. and then finish off your halo eye makeup. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.